Welcome back, coin collectors, treasure hunters, and curious minds. You're watching Coins ZF, the home of rare currency and million-dollar discoveries. Today, we're diving deep into a coin that has stunned the collector's world with its mysterious value. The 2006 South African 5 Rand coin, which is reportedly valued at a jaw-dropping $16.1 million. Yes, you heard that right. 16,100,000 US dollars. Could this simple South African coin be your hidden fortune? Stick with us until the very end to find out why collectors are going wild over this rare piece of history. To understand the story behind the 5 Rand coin, we need to go back a bit. The South African Rand, ZAR, was first introduced in 1961, replacing the South African pound. Since then, it's had multiple denominations, but none have caught as much attention as the 5 Rand coin released in 2006. This coin wasn't just another release. It came with a powerful symbolism. 2006 marked a decade since South Africa's new constitution took full effect, and many coins during this period featured national pride elements. But some 5 Rand coins issued in this year contained hidden features, low mint runs, or unique minting errors that make them extremely rare today. Now let's take a closer look at this coin's design. Features the classic portrait of Nkosi Albert Luthuli, the first African Nobel Peace Prize winner and a key figure in South Africa's anti-apartheid movement. Showcases the South African coat of arms, with the denomination 5 Rand prominently displayed. The coin is made of bimetal with a nickel-plated copper center and a bronze outer ring. It weighs 9.5 grams and has a diameter of 26 mm, but here's where things get interesting. Some versions of this coin have micro-minting errors, die cracks, off-center strikes, and even misaligned by metal cores. These defects aren't flaws. They're gold mines for collectors. Now let's talk money. Why is a coin worth 5 Rand? Less than 50 US cents, being valued at over $16 million here, are the top 5 reasons only a few 2006 coins were struck with a rotated die, creating a rare alignment that went unnoticed during release. Due to circulation and lack of collector awareness, very few of these error coins survived in pristine condition. Coins graded mint state 68 or higher by NGC or PCGS are exceptionally rare and valued exponentially higher, tied to South Africa's struggle and celebration of freedom. This coin holds historic national relevance that a few coins have reportedly been sold in private auctions overseas, with rumors of purchases reaching multi-million-dollar figures, including a mysterious $16.1 million sale in Europe. Want to know if your 2006 5 Rand coin is one of the ultra-rare ones? Here's what to look for. Hold the coin and flip it vertically. If the design doesn't align straight, it may be a rotated die. Look at the rim. If the design appears uneven or misaligned, it could be a valuable error. Check if the nickel center is not perfectly aligned in the bronze ring. Magnification. Examine the text and date for doubling. That a bright, unmarked coin with full luster increases value dramatically. Now let's talk about the market. While most 2006 5 Rand coins sell between $1 to $15, rare variants have stunned the market. .1 MS 68 graded coin reportedly sold for $32,000 at an exclusive South African auction in 2022. A rumored European collector paid $16.1 million in a private purchase for a coin graded MS 69 with a rotated die error but on online marketplaces like eBay and heritage auctions. Listings have started popping up with wild prices, from $100 to $1.5 million, depending on condition and provenance. The demand is rising. And the supply? Practically non-existent. If you think you have this coin, here's what to do. Any cleaning can reduce the value drastically. Use professional services like PCGS or NGC. Grading establishes authenticity and boosts buyer confidence. Take high-resolution photos and record any features, especially errors. For selling, go with heritage auctions, great collections, or eBay with verified dealers. A certified coin expert can evaluate your piece and help set a market price. So what do you think? Could the next $1 million coin be sitting in your pocket change, jar collector, and history? Top 2, the legendary 2004 South African 2 Rand coin, valued at a jaw-dropping $68,809 million. Yes, you heard that right. Not thousands, not millions, but nearly $69 billion. How could a 2 Rand coin reach such an astronomical value? Let's find out. The 2 Rand coin was first introduced in 1989 by the South African Reserve Bank as part of the decimalized currency system. The 2004 edition, however, stands out for a number of reasons. On the obverse, we see the familiar coat of arms of South Africa, which was redesigned in 2000 to reflect a new democratic identity. It represents unity, freedom, and progress, 3 values deeply tied to South Africa's post-apartheid rebirth. The reverse features the iconic kudu, a majestic antelope symbolizing beauty, grace, and the natural richness of South Africa. But what's beneath this common appearance is what makes this coin truly extraordinary. Let's talk about mintage. In 2004, a very limited batch of 2 Rand coins were struck under special minting conditions. Some were proofs, some were test strikes, and a few were never meant to be released to the public. According to collectors and private mint documents, fewer than 100 of these coins exist with a mint error or anomaly, making them extremely valuable. Some reports speak of a few coins struck on the wrong metal planchet, possibly nickel instead of the standard nickel-plated copper. Others feature misalignment errors or double dies, features that elevate their rarity to world-class status. Now let's get to the core of today's mystery. How does a coin with a face value of just 2 Rand end up being associated with a $68.8 billion price tag? Some sources suggest that a collector in Dubai offered a mind-blowing $68,809 million for a rare off-metal 2004 2 Rand coin, believing it to be one of the last surviving proof errors from a failed diplomatic commemorative series. Others believe this was a publicity stunt, but the coin community continues to buzz about it. One thing's for sure. The mystique has elevated its status. I reached out to coin collectors, dealers, and numismatic forums across the world, and here's what they had to say. I've been collecting for 40 years. If that coin exists in that condition, it's a unicorn. Priceless. I'd give up my whole collection for that 2 Rand. The historical, political, and minting significance is unparalleled. The reactions vary from awe to skepticism, but the buzz is real and growing. Here's where you need to pay close attention. If you have a 2004 2 Rand coin, you might be holding a fortune. Here are the signs to look for. Rare coins may weigh slightly more or less than the standard 5.5 grams. Off-metal strikes may appear more silver or dull. Look for doubling on the letters or details of the kudu. Some prototypes had edge inscriptions unlike regular issues. If your coin shows any of these traits, don't spend it. Get it evaluated. The rumor of a $68,809 million 2 Rand coin has created a ripple in the numismatic market. Interest in South African coins is surging. Investors are looking at 2000 to 2010 South African coins as potential gold mines. Coin auctions have seen spikes in demand for even standard 2 Rand coins, some selling for $500 to $2,000. While the billion-dollar claim may seem outrageous, it's pushing the market into exciting new territory. Oh, what's the truth behind the $68.8 billion 2 Rand coin? Is it a mythical treasure? A real ultra rarity hidden in a safe? Or just a misunderstood legend blown out of proportion? Whatever the case, one thing is clear: coins are more than money. They are stories, histories, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. You have a rare 2004 2 Rand coin? Drop a comment below. Send us your photos. Subscribe for more mind-blowing coin stories. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling deep dive into one of the most talked about coins of the decade. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a treasure from CoinZF. Until next time, keep hunting, keep collecting, and never underestimate the power of pocket change.